Disclaimer: this channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
And they are past track. They are trained candidate as well. So they.
But Mr. was within time you had to apply. There is a specific time within which portal was alive. You did not apply in the portal since you have got the job. Now after a long period of time you are coming for issuance of TET certificate in apprehension that you may lose job in future if you do not have TET certificate. Yes. 35 petitioners.
Yes, my lord. But in earlier,
what was the order I have passed in that same issue?
That was
which state? TET
14.
TET 20? TET 14.
It was TET 17. Earlier, my lord, yesterday it was 17. Today is 14. My lord, yesterday's information also I have received, man. I have taken instruction that your lordship will pass the order, my lord. That instruction.
So far 14 is concerned.
My lord, lordship pass the order, my lord, will issue this TET certificate, my lord, provided he has to, my lord, give, my lord, 2-3, my lord, documents that he qualified in the TET, and my lord, subsequently, your lordship passed the order in the division bench, sitting in the division bench, that TET pass certificate, issuance of TET pass certificate, that whenever, my lord, they will pass, my lord, acquire the training qualification, will get the TET pass certificate. Sitting with the Honorable Justice, then your lordship pass the division bench. So lordship directors will, my lord, it will take some time. Kindly do not frame any time, because earlier
the time is not framed. Then the order is
no.
Order cannot be.
We will issue, because my lord, I tell you, lord,
very well. You take instruction and come back. That within which period you will be able to.
My lord, your lordship, there are so many.
All petitioners are working as primary teachers.
Here not in 2014, not all, but they passed it. They can apply for the, my lord, because
so what is the procedure?
I tell you
that they have to apply for certificate, or you will, in terms of this order, you will issue it.
No, in terms of your lordship order, we will issue. Individually, we are issuing.
But what are the particulars which are required to be supplied to the board?
TET qualified, initially the TET qualified, my lord, the receipt, my lord, issued by the board in the official website, my lord, that required, and my lord, the acquiring of
TET qualified.
My lord, your lordship, my lord, I just showing your lordship in the, my lord, if it is annexed in the, my lord, that the petitioner has qualified the TET. My lord, not annexed. My lord, a document showing that petitioner qualified the TET, which was issued by the board. On that basis, my lord, all the.
So will you be able to submit that document that you qualified TET?
That is
affidavit is filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. File your document in support of putting in deficit court fee. In addition, there are two documents have been filed on behalf of the petitioners in support of depositing additional court fees, since there are 35 writ petitioners. Next paragraph. Petitioners have common grievance that till date concerned authority of the West Bengal Board of Primary Education has not issued TET certificate in consideration of fact that petitioners qualified TET 14. Petitioners qualified Teacher Eligibility Test 2014. Next paragraph. Mr. Ratul Vishwas, learned advocate representing the board, submits on instruction that if reasonable time is accorded, TET certificate can be issued in favor of the petitioners who qualified TET 2014, provided documents are submitted before the board. Establishing that petitioners qualified TET14. Next paragraph. It is submitted by the learned advocate representing the petitioners that petitioners will be able to submit documents in support of their contention that they have qualified or they qualified TET 2014. Next paragraph.
And Kenny.
They have qualified TET 2014 along with teachers training qualification or along with teachers training examination.
But training qualification or training qualification.
Next paragraph. In view of the respective submissions made on behalf of the parties, petitioner shall be at liberty to submit necessary documents in support of their qualification of TET 2014 and training qualification by 4 weeks from the date of communication of by 4 weeks from date. Stop. If aforesaid documents are submitted before the Secretary, West Bengal Board of Primary Education within the aforesaid time, Secretary shall issue TET certificate to the petitioners by 12 weeks thereafter. Stop. Next paragraph. Writ petition stands disposed of. I think